Phone's not focusing, but yeah, when it does, there's a deer there. Ooh, it's so great to be in the great outdoors. Can't beat it. Animals are amazing. I love animals. All in wide open spaces. Yes. Smell that fat. Oh, good for the lungs. Yeah, there's a deer, but it's really out of focus and you can see it moving around. It's a deer do. And there's an apparition. Look, one of the ghosts of the lane. Look at that apparition, guys. Broad daylight. And there's a spirit on a push bike doing its thing. This is a ghost in its natural habitat. First deer of the day. Can't zoom in any closer and fallen shit. You can just make out his white tail.
Yeah.
Yeah, look. Look at it, it's looking at us. Not looking at it.
No, it's not.
Is it not?
No, it's looking the other way.
No.
No, it's munching.
Yeah. It's a deer having its munchies. And I've got my babe on camera. I'm going to feed the ducks. Ain't done that for years. Well over 20 years. Last time I fed the ducks with my kids. She's a good woman, this one. And if you get a good woman like this, you gotta keep hold of her ass. Where was it gone? I can't see it.
No, it's looking nice. Oh, no,
This camera's shit, it just won't focus. Oops. Watch out, this car coming up. And that was the ghost car. Apparitions casually driving around.
Oh, there's another deer.
Home sweet home.
Another one.
Two deers now. Another one's come to join that one there. That deer's going towards it. There's usually about 8 that you get in this field altogether. See them on a daily basis. And sometimes in woods, and you end up scaring them and they go scooting off real fast. Where did that one come from then? This is only just that one, wasn't it, for a while?
Yeah. Oh, I don't know.
Pumpkins for the deers. Cool. People have been here. Creepy, spooky shit. Whoa, it's real spooky, look at that. People around. Shouldn't be anybody around here, fuck. Not this time of the day. That's real creepy and spooky. There's deers in the field there. Spooky and creepy. Shouldn't be anybody here at this time of day. Not even us. Not allowed. Creepy, look. Sounds of people. Maybe your Bigfoot's been in it, that. Maybe that's what's happened. A Bigfoot's been here and been munching on so-called pumpkins. Swedes, whatever they're called. Yes.
They're pumpkins.
Definitely sounds of Bigfoot. And yes, Bigfoots do carry saws. And they do have hammers and nails. They make shit. They build shit in their habitats. But look at this, guys. Oh, it's real spooky, I tell you. It's really creepy shit. Oh, shouldn't be really anybody here. This is a haunted forest. It's real scary. I'm shitting myself. I'm panicking. It's brought on my anxiety and everything. Oh, I'm traumatized. It's very traumatic for me, this. Look. Oh, yeah. Very traumatic. Look. Why would there be people and cars here at this time of day? Shouldn't be anybody here. Did you hear that chicken bed? A wild chicken bed. But look, people dogging. There shouldn't be dogging around here. This is creepy and spooky. I'm traumatized. Shit. Fuck. I'm terrified. This is real scary, guys. Spooky. There's people. There's apparitions.
There's a wall in there.
Look at this, guys. Look at this spooky building. I'm sure they keep chopped up bodies in here. Look. I'm sure they do. Look at that. Creepy, innit? Oh, that's real creepy and spooky. Look at that. Oh, it's a shit house. Oh, full of dead bodies. Look, we're in a haunted forest. Oh, it's real creepy. Creepy, spooky. Oh, what's that? Oh, it's an apparition in a tree. Oh, panicking, guys, really creepy. Oh, what's that? Shit. Babe, don't leave me. I'm scared. Are you scared? This is real haunted. Scary shit. Look at that bent tree. Oh crap. That's real spooky. Can you see it? Look, the bent trees. Oh, that's creepy. This is really haunted. I'm scared. I'm proper shit my whack, guys. Panicking. But yeah, our lass is real calm, cool and collective. But trust me, if she sees anything, she'll fucking run. Fuck. Look, guys, creepy. Spooky. Spooky. Can you hear him? Can you hear that? It's a ghost car beeping its horn somewhere in the distance. Told you these are real haunted. Shit. Don't know what we're doing in here. Shouldn't be anybody around here at this time of day. Not even us. It's so spooky. It's horrific. It's traumatizing. There's apparitions everywhere, even though I can't see them. I'm scared. I'm proper scared. Fuck. Fuck. Blair Witch shit going on, look. Look. Look at it. Blair Witch shit. Fucking run.